Y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Look at this, I broke out from that glue. So y'all, I got this wig that this company sent me, and it's a braided wig, and I already took it out the box. I am putting makeup on it. This is my first time doing a braided wig. I've never done one. We gonna see. We gonna see. I'm using my powder foundation. I said powder foundation. I didn't mean to say that. But it is currently 1:45. in the morning while I'm doing this wig. I'm tired, but we're gonna get it done. It's a cute, very cute wig. No, I'm just kidding. Nah, it's a cute wig. Just gotta see if I can slay this bitch. Period. I'll be back when I'm done with the makeup. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I did the makeup. I put the makeup on. I am going to go over it with some lace tint, just because I wanted to not really, I mean, you can honestly pull it off with some makeup and that's it, but me personally, I'm extra and I'm going in with some lace tint, period, because the fuck. I'm going in with some lace tint. Yeah. Actually, yeah, I should have just kept it with makeup. Well, hold on. Alright, y'all, so I finished tinting the lace, and it honestly don't look that bad like I thought it would look. Like, I can finesse this, like, you can, like, it don't look that bad. I shouldn't have said finesse, but like, it really don't look that bad. Like, it don't look that bad. Like, hold on, I just gotta adjust the clips in here, and there we go. Scoot this back some. And then yeah, it really don't look that bad. Like, it really don't look that bad. it don't look that bad, y'all. It is currently 2:16 in the morning, and let me find my razor. I keep cutting myself. All right, got my razor. These are the baby hairs on it. We're gonna cut that off. Especially like, I don't know what I'm about to do with this ear tab because I don't want to fuck up the wig. I'm thinking, y'all, I'm thinking. I don't know. We about to figure it out. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So, I'm back. I cut the lace. I'm putting some Got To Be around because, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. That bolt hole broke my forehead the fuck out. I don't like that too much. I am gonna spray some Got To Be around. But yeah, I think I did this. I think I did my motherfucking big one with this wig. Cause y'all I have never done a braided wig before. But now my light died. Hold on, y'all. Okay, we're back. Okay, so as y'all can see, I did that. I fucking did that. I will be back. I'm gonna leave it tied up for tonight, and I'll do my edges in the morning. I'll be back in the morning. Yeah, I'm tired. It is currently, hold on, 2:36. So I'll be back in the morning. I'm tired. I'll be back in the morning. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I finished this braided wig. I don't know why my thing turned like this, but I finished. As y'all can see, it is a wig. But y'all can't say I'm the motherfucking goat with this shit. Like, compared to what y'all seen, like, you can really do this fucking wig up, period. Like, hold on, you can really do this shit. Like, y'all, I'm not gonna do my lips or anything, but y'all, all right, y'all, so look how long it is. Like, it's super long. But yeah, another one. Y'all can't say I'm the motherfucking goat, bitch. I am goated. The fuck, I can make a wig look fucking cute as fuck. This shit look like mine, like. But anyways, comment, like, subscribe, and shop the wig, period. Shop the wig. It took me, what, I want to say 2 hours to get this done last night, but I got tired, as y'all can see in the previous video. Anyways, I'm not going to do too much on my lips. I'm probably just going to hurry up, put some lip gloss on and take it off, because y'all, I do got a surprise. Stay tuned. This wig shit getting real fucking easy.